Are you ready to go from this to this? Because in this video, I'm going to reveal to you 5 tips to improve significantly your grooming game. Before we start, a good grooming journey has a lot of benefits, such as feeling better with yourself and your appearance being more masculine, and many others. Let's start with skincare. Establishing a simple routine is crucial. Cleanse your face morning and night, followed by moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated and healthy. For the cleanser and the moisturizer, I recommend the ones from CeraVe, link in the description. Don't forget the sunscreen for protection against harmful rays. The one from La Roche-Posay is very good, link below. Now let's talk about facial hair. Whether you sport a beard or prefer a clean-shaven look, trimming is key. Invest in a quality trimmer and define your desired style. I like the one from Philips for regular and fast shaves, link below. Remember, regular maintenance is vital to keep your facial hair looking sharp. Next up, your hair. Finding the right hairstyle is essential, but maintaining it is equally important. Use the right shampoo and conditioner for your hair type. Don't shy away from hair products to add volume or texture. Styling with confidence can make all the difference. The eyebrows. Often overlooked, but they play a crucial role in framing your face. Keep them tidy by plucking stray hairs or visiting a professional for shaping. Trust us, it's worth the effort. And let's not forget about the nails. Neat and trim nails are a sign of a well-groomed man. Invest in a good nail clipper and file, and don't hesitate to add a touch of clear coat for a clean finish. I personally recommend the kit from Amazon. Link in the description. Remember, grooming is a journey, not an endpoint. Experiment with different styles, products, and techniques. Embrace what works for you and don't be afraid to seek expert advice. To stay updated on the latest grooming trends and tips, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and until next time, groom with confidence.